So I'm going to go ahead and quickly walk you through what you're going to do when you're submitting your homework for this particular week. Now, regardless if it's in week 1, submitting your practice test number 1, or in week 4, submitting your practice test number 2, in this case, week 7, submitting your practice test number 3, or week 9, submitting your practice test number 4, since we do those 4 practice tests at those key weeks throughout the program. In any of those 4 situations, there's 2 things we have you submit: your practice test score report and the entire side of your goal tracking sheet. So we'll go ahead and click here, and then we'll sign in with a student College Board account. Normally your email address has been remembered, so it'll just pop up. You click next. Hopefully your password is saved as well. Sign in. And then for whichever practice test it is, what's really nice is you can go ahead and just click this download button, and then you'll see in the upper right corner that report will download for you. And this is what we want you to download. Now, another place that you could find that same report is you could click score details, and then you could choose download score report. Now, what's pretty neat as well is they give you the option to practice specific questions, and they really tailor it based on that particular practice test, which themes you struggled with. So that's a good thing to know. Now, it gives you quite a few questions, so it can be overwhelming, but it's good to know that you have that as a resource. But for our purposes, for what you're going to submit, make sure you take that report. You can click the download key or the print key. Either way you're going to save it. I would personally just save it to my desktop, and you can put whatever practice test number you're on. And then we'll click here at this link at the bottom of the screen. And now it prompts us to upload those 2 files. So we'll click here to upload our practice test score report. I'll click desktop, and then I'll just find the document. I had it as practice test number 4. And then I'll do the same thing for the goal tracking sheet. I saved mine as GTS. And as long as it's either a PDF or an image file, either one's acceptable. We'll click submit, and we'll see this message that says we successfully submitted our homework, and a reminder that's like you. And remember, you got this.